Your immigration case was just dismissed by an immigration judge. What implications does this have to a work permit? The answer to the question really depends on whether you have a pending application for a work permit, whether you have a valid work permit, or whether you have an expired work permit. As a reminder, a work permit application is always tied to an ongoing immigration process. If you have a pending work permit application, here's what could happen. If the case gets dismissed from immigration court, that work permit application will most likely be denied. You no longer have an ongoing process. The way that you will be notified of this denial will be by USCIS sending you a letter via mail, or you will be able to access the denial via your USCIS portal. But if you have an existing valid work permit, here's what could happen. One of two things could happen. The first thing, you should know that you could continue working with that work permit even if your case was dismissed by the immigration court. It's still valid until it expires. The second thing, which is very rare and unusual, but we have seen it, is that USCIS could send a written notification telling you that they will be revoking that work permit because there's no longer an immigration process. Now, you may be asking yourself, what happens when the work permit expires? Unfortunately, because there's not an ongoing immigration process that's tied to the work permit, you will no longer be able to renew that work permit. However, you could always seek another immigration avenue that would allow you to have a brand new work permit under a different category. Work permits in immigration law could be confusing, but that's why we're here to help. Reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns. My name is Ana Gracia, and I am an immigration attorney here at the law offices of Jezic and Moyse, and I'm happy to help with any questions and concerns related to immigration matters.